Well, hello everyone.
Hi, I'm Kay.
And I'm Rue, and this is the Adventures of Kay Rue, and we're in the kitchen with Kay. And Kay, my goodness, what do you have going on for us today?
We are making japchae for dinner tonight.
So, is this a recipe that you learned from your mom growing up in Hodong?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, that's the only meal that I remember eating my mom's cooking.
Well, that's a lot of good food. So what do you say? Let's get started?
Let's get started. Okay, we start with the ingredients. Of course, we have japchae. It's been soaking for a couple hours. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut this, otherwise it's gonna be so long and be hard to cut it. Okay. And I have spinach, it's all washed, and onions, green, yellow, red bell peppers, and cabbage. I'll probably use a half of this, and carrots. And I have Korean odeng. And we're gonna start, julienne this and stir fry it. Little bit of a beef that I've been marinating overnight. It gives a really good flavor in japchae. And I'm a little obsessed with the mushrooms. I think this is a shijimi, black and white, brown and white shijimi mushroom, and portobello, baby bello mushrooms, and this is baby king oyster mushroom. So these are all the ingredients, and I have a soy sauce, of course, a little sugar. I'm using avocado, it's neutral oil, and sugar and salt and pepper. And I also have the blend seasoning that I like to use for stir frying vegetables. So there you have it, and I'm gonna start cutting it. So I'm gonna so that.
And I'm going to put these, after I cut these, just put them up over here.
You can put it there or put them on this can. So this is a homegrown pepper.
We can, all right, we can ride along when we're done, I guess.
You can put.
Gosh, we're going to use all these mushrooms?
Mm-hmm. I love mushrooms, so. Let's just hit it. It should be delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna start the heat.
God, that's a lot of chopping.
That's why I don't make it as often as I would like to eat. Bell pepper, red bell pepper, you got the yellow, green, and onions, and carrots. And this is odeng, the fish cake, and little cabbage. And I have a lot of mushrooms. I love mushrooms.
I know,
and
me
plus
too.
I wanted to
We
use all
both.
this stuff.
And then,
So,
and the japchae noodles are over here.
japchae noodles here already. It's been soaking for a few hours, but
Okay.
but you can boil them. But you got to be careful you don't over.
What happens
boil.
if you overboil or overcook them?
Oh, it just cuts it. It doesn't have any texture. It's mushy. It tastes terrible. My sister Lila made it last time. And she said that she saw the recipe somewhere. She boiled it for 7 minutes. It was really not. It wasn't. So, am I allowed to cook? Right?
Oh, okay. Now let me. What? I'm trying to get a good video.
I'm gonna put. This is 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Teaspoon of oil. Tablespoon of oil. Can I? A little bit of the blend seasoning. That's what I need. Just want to season it a bit. Another tablespoon of oil. And again, I'm going to use a little bit of a seasoning. overcook it either, so have a little bit of heavy. And I'm going to put
So that was a couple tablespoons of oil.
Yes.
How many noodles you said? 300 grams?
300 grams.
Okay. Do they come in packages
Yes,
by
it comes in a package.
grams, I would assume?
It comes in a grams.
Okay.
It's kind of hard for me to.
So you put in like 2 tablespoons of oil?
Yes, I would need more oil.
You would need more oil.
More oil, yeah. So, soy sauce.
Okay. That tablespoon? So just a little bit of sugar? Okay. Is that for taste or?
Yes.
Okay.
And then put 2 teaspoons of sugar.
Will it kind of caramelize?
I'm going to turn this off. I just turn off the stove.
Okay, so you turn off the heat.
Yeah.
And obviously they continue to cook.
Yes.
Good.
So I do it here or? Yeah.
So they didn't cook very long at all.
No, it doesn't.
Okay. So it's kind of how you serve it out of a large dish, and then people take their servings from there.
Well, you can serve whatever you want, but,
okay.
but this is what we're going to have for dinner. So here you have it. This is our japchae, honey. Here you have it. Homemade japchae.
That looks amazing.
It is absolutely delicious and it smells very good. And it is little work if you're going to do it properly. But,
A lot of chopping the vegetables.
right, but you can make it easy by just stir frying all at once. And you don't have to make as much as we have today.
So what's next?
What's next? Let's eat.
Let's do it. Let's eat.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hopefully now you know how to make japchae, and we'll post that recipe in the directions. And if you like it, give us a thumbs up. If you have some comments, tell us how to improve it, and that's what we really look for.
But you can make your own. You can take out the vegetables you don't like. Some people don't like mushrooms. So you can make however you want.
Yep.
So
So like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
bye.